You want to have an adventure today?
Sure, I guess.
Let's go! Can't wait to get up to the top of Hobe Mountain. Race it to the top.
Okay!
Let's go.
I'm getting tired.
Shut up.
Stairs? Come on!
Here's Hobe Mountain, boy.
Oh. Man, this view kind of sucks.
What are you talking about? It's Hobe Mountain. What's that part called?
That right there is the grill. Beautiful. See if you look.
I've never been on
If
a
you
tour
look
of a
very,
car.
if you look very closely, see each individual bolt tires.
See all
It's
those,
so
boy?
majestic. Wow. Now, see this is where it gets wild. This is the door.
Do you see those black things down there?
I
What are
know.
they called?
Those are called the pedals.
So complex.
They do
Pedals?
so much. They can make the car go, they can make it stop, anything.
So you've got four of, what are these called again?
These are doors.
It looks like there's about four of them on
Actually, no, there's 5 if you count the one in the very back. Let me show you that one. This is the 5th door. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's opening itself.
It's like it's magic.
Oh my gosh. I'm
I
controlling
should
it
have
with
done
my
this car tour
mind.
years ago.
Yeah.
What's this button?
Look at this. This is the trunk of the car. Can hold anything. Can hold guns, lollipops,
Wow.
babies, anything. See that?
This is the best auto tour ever.
How did you like that majestic auto tour?
It wasn't so great.
Seriously? This is pretty cool. What about this?
What is there even to do here?
Let me show you.
I will show you crazy. I'm a maniac. No more final warning. I'm not holding back.
What'd you think of Zeus Park?
Didn't really appeal to me.
For reals? What about Lunch at Scooters? That's a fancy restaurant.
Didn't someone get murdered here?
Yeah, that is a cool part of their history. Wasn't that a good meal? Good grief. I got one last place I'm going to show you, but I'm warning you, it kind of sucks.
This is awesome.
This? I don't understand you kids. Where to next?
Watch me hit the gray button.